Bullish FTX token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $103.08 and $224.48 by 2030. Market examiners accept FTT could reach $103.08 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is $18.32. FTX token presentation experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The designers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subordinates, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto gauge trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Broiled, the administrator of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishad Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by merchants, for brokers, in the wake of laying out Lambda Exploration, a digital money quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital money. The liberal organizer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging charges to good cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Successful Philanthropy. SBF is a notable player in the digital money industry with more than 290 Kelvin supporters on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX environments is called FTX token, and it very well might be utilized as guarantee for prospects' positions, to get discounts on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses. From there, the sky is the limit. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and Fates exchanging are undeniably presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized examination. The effect of amount requested on variances in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination devices. It works under the assumption that, when joined with reasonable money management or managing rules, verifiable exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as significant indicators of future security costs. It can enormously improve the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is habitually used to create transient exchanging signals utilizing different diagramming apparatuses. Experts can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Marks of digital money in view of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary forms, utilizing the urgent pointers recorded underneath. Anyone with any interest at all in specialized examination can look at the greatest cost, market cap, normal value, the most noteworthy worth, FTX cost gauge, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header cost figure. Normal directional list. A mark areas of strength for of that checks a pattern's power and energy is the typical directional list, contingent upon the course of the typical value. The pattern is remembered to have critical directional strength when the ADX is well over 40. FTX token basic investigation. Financial backers utilize this strategy to decide the fair worth of FTX coins and different coins. The essential objective is to survey many inside and outside components to decide whether a coin is overrated or underrated. Financial backers utilize this data to direct their venture decisions. Prior to managing digital forms of money, principal investigation issues should be fixed. Principal examination can assist brokers with choosing how to continue and what monetary theory and abuse will mean for digital currencies. Major examination components. The accompanying three components are essential to principal investigation. Impact appraisal. Enterprise assessment forces model and intensive comprehension of planning, money, and items is vital for a complete structure like basic examination. Directing key appraisals, for specific, requires figuring out fundamental challenges, experience with valuation techniques, and the ability to assess monetary information. Moreover, it as often as possible makes expectations in view of freely accessible information, such an organization's verifiable benefits and further developed seriousness. FTX token current cost. FTX token is right now worth $22.91 USD. FTT has moved 8.66% as of now with an exchanging volume of $197,275,984. FTX token is right now positioned 25 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,110,911, $573. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. FTX token value forecast 2022. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The FTT cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $34.36. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $32.07 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $27.49. FTX token value forecast 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $57.27. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the FTT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $45.81 and a typical exchanging cost of $50.39. FTX token value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $80.17 and FTT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $73.30 and a low of $68.72 in 2024. FTX token value forecast 2025. In the event that FTX token effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2025. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $103.08, with a base cost of $91.62 and a typical cost of $96.21. FTX token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $119.11 by 2026, with a base cost of $114.53 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, FTT has a greatest value worth of $125.98. FTX token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $142.02. On the off chance that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $148.89. Neglecting to assemble the help FTT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $137.44. FTX token value forecast 2028. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern